Okay, so I've just created a new Windows user that doesn't have Python installed, and I will try and install Python and Pygame, and we'll see how it goes. So hopefully it should work. Go to the Python website, go to downloads. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to go to Windows, and then we want to find stable releases, Python 3.9.2, and then I'm on a 64-bit processor word size, so I'm going to download the 64-bit one, but if you're on a 32-bit machine, then do that. Even if you're not sure, go for the 32-bit, because that will work on a 64-bit machine. And we'll wait for it to download. Open the thing. Okay. So make sure to check this add Python 3.9 to path option, and then if you just install now, you will need administrator privileges to do this on Windows. So if you are not the administrator for your machine, then find whoever is. And then we just wait. Okay, excellent. And while you're at it, might as well disable path length limit, because who needs that? Okay, so let's close that, and now press Windows key, search for idle. And this will bring up this, so let's just experiment with a few things to check everything works. Yep, sounds about right. Okay, now we want to install Pygame. At the moment, Pygame is not installed, which we can see because if we do this, it will say there's no module called Pygame. So we have to use something called pip to install Pygame. So what you're going to do is press Windows key, type command prompt, go to that. Okay, and now type this command, pip install Pygame. Okay, that seems to have worked. Let's check. Import Pygame, and we get this message, hello from the Pygame community. That means that we have successfully installed and imported Pygame. Excellent. That is it for this video.